Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Chrysler 300. If you have a Chrysler 300 guys, and if you need to find the relay for the ignition switch, you may actually have a few relays, and we'll explain where to look for. Some of them can be hidden, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how to test the relay, where they're located, and if the ignition switch still doesn't work, we'll explain what else you need to check. So all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically what we have here guys, Chrysler 300 3.6 engine. The first relays that we'll need to check will be in the fuse box in the engine compartment. Then we need to go to a different place. You have two notches that you need to squish towards each other, pull up, flip it on the side, and now you guys have practically here you have all the relays and fuses. What we need to check now, the first relay, you may have it, you may not, it's actually relay number 56. It will be that relay here, 1, 2, 3, the second row from top to bottom, third relay from left to right. Then you have one more that you may have, and this relay will be that here guys, that's the relay. That's ignition switch relay here. You need to check that one as well. Then you may have two more depending on the configuration. I'm talking about relay 61 and 62. If you guys want to see where to buy replacement relays from, like if you need to remove that one, I will need to remove that one so I can get to it, otherwise I cannot grab it. And that one guys, okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy replacement relays for a really good price and quick shipping as well. If you want to see how to test them, we have a video, I'll put the link to it in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test relay in no time, so check it out. Now we have one more relay that we need to check, and it's actually located in the trunk of that Chrysler 300. So we're in the trunk guys, and right here, let me show you now, next to the spare tire you have the car battery. This is the fuse box here, and if you look right here you have a cover that you press here, pull out, it comes loose like that. And if you look right here guys, we're going to have one relay that we need to check, that's super important for the ignition switch guys. And that relay, we're talking about relay number 1. That relay right here, that's the one that you need to check. If you need to buy replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. If the ignition switch still doesn't run, we will have a video that's called why Chrysler 300 does not crank, does not start. It could be guys other things such as immobilizer and many other things, so we'll have a video that talks about that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.